2019 Mathematics Objective Test Question 8. And the question says, if 23 base y is equal to 1111 base 2, find the value of y. A says y is equal to 4, B says 5, C says 6, and D says 7. So when you are given a question like this, we have 23 base y equals 1111 base 2. You simply convert everything to base 10, and by converting to base 10 we have that this is 0 1, this is 0 1 2 3. Now we have 2 multiplied by y raised to the power of 1 here, plus 3 multiplied by y raised to the power of 0. Now equals, here we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0. So if we solve further, we have that 2 multiplied by y raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as saying 2 multiplied by y, which is 2y, plus 3 multiplied by y raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1, so y raised to the power of 0 is 1, gives us 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8, so 1 multiplied by 8 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 raised to the power of 1, is 2, so 1 multiplied by 2, plus 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. I said anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1, so 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1, so we have 1 multiplied by 1. So if we solve further, we have 2y plus 3 equals 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Now 2y equals 8 plus 4 gives you 12. 12 plus 2 gives you 14. We have 15. If you sum up everything here, you have 15. So minus this 3 here, so 15 minus 3 gives you 12. So we have that 2y equals 12. Our y becomes 12 divided by 2. Our y becomes 6. So this particular question, 23 base y, is the same thing as saying 23 base 6. So this y is equal to 6. So that's the same thing as option C. So the correct option for this particular question is option C, y is equal to base 6. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.